Good evening. Good evening,
Hello.
everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you very clear, Ethan.
Okay, I see some charts right here.
Yeah. Hello, Tech Dolls. Give me some reward, please. Sure. Join our testnet and then we will have many rewards for you guys. Hello, Bro. Hello. Hello, Đại Phú Nguyễn. Hello, everyone. Please wait for a few minutes for another member to join and
Yeah,
then um, just wait a few minutes and then I will have some interesting information to update to you guys. Hi, Fu. Hello, Bali Ramadan. Hello, Indonesia. So, let me sum up some information that we will have on our testnet today. Hi, Tehena. Hi, Arali. Yes, sure. You guys can
sure.
feel free to ask, and we will answer in the FAQ session.
Yeah,
So
ask
please feel
everything you
free to
want.
ask. Hello, Indonesian. Hello. Hello from Vietnam. So today, AMA, I will sum up some information from our testnet the first week, and our CEO also will update some information that our project will do in the near future, our short-term plan, and after that, I will answer some FAQ that you guys usually have on our server, our Discord server, our communities, and then after that, I will have the lucky drawer for seven lucky drawer, the wallet that learn and earn on our testnet program. So there will be seven lucky winner. Will get the NFT today, and in the end, we will answer on the question that you guys asked on our AMA today. So feel free to comment, and we will answer. So, first of all, I really, really thanks all of you guys that joined our testnet. So, for now, we have like, let me check again, more than 2,000 to we have 2,272 participants that is play to learn and earn daily on our testnet apps, and now there's only 29 eligible reward recipients. It means only have 29% that earn more than 20 Goga tokens. So to be eligible for the Goga token airdrop in the future. So you guys need to learn and earn at least 20 Goga token. So we will have the record of your wallet, and we will airdrop Goga token in the future for you when we are on mainnet. That is our some number for the first week of our testnet, and we already announced the top seven winner that earned the most GGT in the week. So, for some people asking me why they have like 150 Goga token in their account, but they are not on the top, it's because we only count the Goga token that you learn and earn. So we drop some Google token to your wallet, and it's for you to use in app, and it will not count for the leaderboard ranking. So you need to learn and play to learn and earn daily, so your name can be on the leaderboard. And okay, so that is the quick update of our testnet event right now. And our CEO will update some information of our short-term plan, our project.
Yeah. Hey guys.
Mr. Nam.
Okay. Yeah. Thank Miranda. I'm going to share to you of some interesting new. Yeah. We have applied some hackathon, and the most important is the Solana Summer Hackathon. And our goal is that we are going to be the number one. Yeah, we going to take the first prize in the mobile category in this hackathon, and that's the first one we have to put much effort into it. And the next party, I think you guys will be, considering about what what happened after the tennis. And yeah, and we are thinking about, a program is like an early airdrop claim for a Goga user, and yeah, we are thinking about it. And when it's come to the real life, we gonna make an announcement for you guys. So stay tuned. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you. That's great idea. And and I hope that with many idea in the future, we will have more program, more event for community to join, and this will be more interesting. So keep following us on our Discord server, and we will give you more update detail. And now I will answer some frequent asked question about our event, testnet event. Some of you have many question about box transfer or Goga token transfer. So we have on the guide and link on our official link on Discord server. So you guys can follow. Wait, sorry, wait for me a minute. I want to share my screen so I can show you guys easier. Can you see my screen, Mitanam?
Not yet.
Okay. Okay, so here's my
Yeah,
screen.
it is
So
okay right now. Yeah.
yeah. So for the oh sorry, this here is our Discord. So you guys can join our Discord and you can check the link. Oh sorry guys, there is some problem with the technical. So let me just give you some information on our Discord server. We have the channel official link, so there is will be on the guides for you to follow step by step, so you can join our testnet, and you also can create um, the ticket support. So if have any technical problem, I will answer the ticket and help you in your case. Mm, and now I will answer some question here. Maybe some member cannot wait for the answer already, so I will scroll up and find the question. Mm, so the first question is, who is your competition, and are you different from them? So for now, I think we are the very first project that have the concept play to learn and earn, that is already have the complete product. When you try out on our product, we have like almost 1,000 lesson that you can learn English, and that take us like 5 years to develop the academic lesson and put it into the mobile app. So we are proudly say that we are the very first project that have the very complete product on the mobile, both iOS and Android. And we are doing testnet now to implement the blockchain to our product. So so I think we are the pioneer in this learn and earn concept. That is our like a strength point of our project. And how are we different from them? Because we already have the complete product. We now we are just have to like a we do the testnet to make it run smoothly on blockchain only, and then fix on the bug. That is what we are different from them. We are already have the very like almost like a complete product, I must say.
Yeah. Yeah.
mm,
Besides, I would like to share something. Um, yeah, we are the first play to learn and earn apps to combine education, game, and Web3. Yeah, Minada have shared about it, right? And
yes.
Goga was upgrade from Web2 app that we have over 500K paid user, and every materials courses uh, have been proven by learners. And in the future, we will integrate social plus gameplay. This feature have, we have a lot of competitor right out there, but they haven't have the feature like this. And with the social gameplays offline to our app, so user or you guide, yeah, can play to learn and earn and enjoyably with friends all over the world. And that we think that, and we can stand over for compared with our competitors.
Yes, yes, that's correct. Especially, I see the user is really enjoy the speaking stage that they can interact with another user and hear another user voice as well. So that is our great strength that we have, like 500K user, and you can challenge anyone in the world and like interact with people around the world who is also learning English, same like you. Okay, so let's move on. Next question. I saw many questions here. Thank you guys so much for today. Will it be a time for mainnet and Goga user must have NFT to use the app? So,
Uh,
yes, Mr. Nam,
the,
please.
Okay, let me just answer these questions. We haven't determined the time for the mainnet yet, because right now you can see the market is not good, and we have to wait for good timing. Yeah, maybe it's take 3 months, maybe 6 months. But the most important thing is that we do have, as I mentioned, as I mentioned earlier, we are thinking about a program uh, to launch early for the reasons you guys could play to learn and earn. Yeah, but I'm going to share further detail maybe in the next AMAs. Yeah, and Google users must have NFT to use the app. Not really, because right now we do have the app in App Store and Google Play as well. You guys could download it and create a user. Red, you guys could create a new user and try almost full features in our app. And with user have NFT, user could play to learn and earn. And if you don't have the NFT, you could play to learn. That's it.
Yeah. Yes, that's very clear. And let me read the next question. In this standard, we get an NFT of different character. What is the function of character? What is the relationship between X character and the various level tasks we are working on? So, okay, let me answer this question. Yes, what you do on testnet is will be mostly is will be similar when we launch on mainnet. So the NFT, when you mean we have five quality of NFT is from normal, good, rare, epic, and legendary. So each type of NFT it will help you to earn more Goga token. So the legendary NFT will help you earn the most Goga token and down to normal NFT. And the function of each NFT is they have different number of the attributes when you use inside the apps. One NFT will have four attribute is intelligent, agility, luck, and power. So different type of NFT is will have different number of attributes, and it will help you earn different amounts of Goga token. So it will be more fun for you to like level up your NFT or spend gem or GGT to improve on that attribute to help you earn more Goga token in the way you want. Is will take you to make your own strategy to maximum your NFT ability. So I hope the answer can help you. Please, let's move to the next one. Is so if we made a few leaderboard, we shouldn't or cannot make any more. So technically, if you want something, it isn't a point in the playing anymore for now. Um, for now we target for more user to experience our products as possible, so we open the chance for all the one who join our testnet have a chance to be a winner and go to the leaderboard. That's why we make the rule that one account only can have one reward at a time in our event only, because it can open the chance for another user and so can keep continue to learn on the apps, and they can get the reward as well. um, Next is, what's the target that you are targeting to other than crypto lover? Are you going to school or as well, like Asian countries for example? So
Yeah.
Mitanam, can you answer this one?
Okay. That's an interesting questions. That is important questions because you know uh, we uh, we have thought about this question for a long time. A project, even a crypto project, if it wants to sustainable development for a long time, it has to solve a problem, a real problem, you know. And that's the reason we create a concept. We stick into the concept play to learn and earn. And play to learn is the most important in our app. And for the reasons, beside crypto lovers, we stay focused on learners. And our Goga app has to bring the value for the learners and then the crypto lovers. Yeah.
Yes.
And are you going to
So
into? Yeah, go ahead.
yes, yes, sorry.
Please go ahead.
Okay, so as you know that the crypto market, if compared to the traditional market, is still smaller, and especially for the market that the one who want to learn English is reached to 1.5 billion people in the world that have a need of learning English. That is our target to that group of user, because they have the real demand to learn. And we also not only bring the value of learning, but we also bring the value of earning, that is will both benefit the learner and the crypto lover at the same time. Okay. Thank you for your question, and I will move to the next one. Is there a reward for tenants who will test the test network and write their feedback on the test network? And if will be a reward, what kind of reward? Okay, so this one is we have information on our website goga.ai, so you guys can check for the details that our team member also have remind many time on our Discord server as well, for the reward that all of you guys will uh, get the reward weekly if you are on the leaderboard, or for the bug bounty. We will announce on our Discord, so please join our Discord and follow the announcement channel for the reward and the winner list. Mm, okay. Thank you, Bang Pas, for your compliment. Before I ask, I want to say that this is the first time I have come across a unique project like this, which can increase knowledge and enable to speak fluent international language. So, really, thank you, Bang Pas. Your comment is really made our days, and it's the really our support for during the bear market like this, and we really need something like your comment. How long Goga has been in development? As I say, we are from the Web 2 product. It take us 5 years to build 500,000 paid user. That is already proof that our learning method is effective to people. 500K people that learn English through our products, and yes, it's effective and it's helped them. So now we are enter to the Web 3, and hopefully it can scale up to more people, not stop at 500,000K, but like 5 million, 50 million user. Is the roadmap of the project plan, what has been done so far and what's the plans for the near future? So on our website we have updated our roadmap, and all what we have done is to complete our product and doing the testnet same like as the plan that we implement almost 1,000 lessons to the app both on iOS and Android, so you guys know how much work we need to put into these apps, and more than 150 people in our company to doing this product alone. So it's take a lot of time and take a lot of uh, effort and human resources to input on the academic lesson into one apps. And we also implement the blockchain, the NFT gamification to our app. So now we are in the Q3 of 2022, and we are running testnet, and we already launched our marketplace that you guys can mint the Goga box, can transfer your box, transfer the Goga token, all of the function that we already done, and we are fixing some bug that you are report right now. For the NFT pre-sales and IDO and ICO, I think because of the market is not really good right now, so we also don't want um, to make any decision that careless. So we need to make sure that we build the good product first, and then we will have the next step for the NFT pre-sales or IDO in the future when the market getting better.
Okay, you can see like this. Uh, to bring Goga into the real life, you can see there are three majors feature we have to be done. The first thing is the learn feature. You can see in the Goga we already have pronunciation course and communication course uh, all have done, right? And then we have lots of game in the arena. You can see in yeah, lots of stages have to be done, right? And the last one is the earning feature, and you guys have been tried in the tennis, and you can imagine with the huge earth, the features like this, we have to put more effort into it, and we are going to, stay focused on to build in this quarter and next quarter, and wait for the good timing, and then we could make we expect that we could make a huge bombing in the future. Yeah. Does the
Yeah.
project envision an ambassadors program for the future? Yeah, we consider about it. Maybe in the future, we're going to make an announcement about it later.
Yeah. Yes, we will do the marketing place. Sorry, the marketing plan is when our product is really ready first. Make sure that the products go first. When do you plan to implement more language? We are doing now. We are doing it now. We will have more language like Mandarin, Hindi, Spanish, or Portuguese. That for the many member from around the world that you can experience our product smoothly um, and in your mother tongue language, it will easier, much easier for you guys to learn English. So hopefully that we will done new language very soon in this Q3. Will NFT obtained during the testnet be lost during the mainnet? Yes, because this testnet we are giving you guys all the chance to mint and to own many NFT at the same time, so you can. As our record, there is an account that even have like 50 Goga NFT in his account. So this will not convert to your mainnet um, because it's impossible for someone own 50 NFT. So this for only the testnet only, and for the reward, on the reward during the testnet is a NFT or Goga token reward that in the end of the event we will airdrop when our product on the mainnet. Then that one you can keep. Um, Will you collaborate with educational institution in the future? Yes, of course. We will try our best to do to expand our network, to expand our community. So why not?
Yeah,
And make
and
certification
yeah,
for someone who has learned.
you
Yes,
know,
Mitanam.
we used to be a Web2 company, and we do, we have been in this field for over 7 years. Yeah, 7 years in the education sector, and we are familiar with it, and that is easy. To be honest, it is easy for us, and it has in our plan, and we are going to scale in the future. Yeah,
Yeah,
and make certification from someone who has learned from Goga. Yeah, that is. It is a feature we are going to update in the not the next quarter, maybe in the early of the next years. Yeah.
okay. Thank you. Will Goga be sole exclusive, or do you plan to expand to more chain? Um, to be honest, we don't know yet because as we learn from many projects like Step N, they also have on many chain, and there is also the problem for the user if when the project on many chain also. So we want to make sure that we do the carefully research before we
Yeah,
want to expand to another chain to make sure that user will have the seamlessly experience and smoothly. We don't want to make things complicated because this will be more difficult for user to use our product.
yeah.
Mm,
Miranda has a point, to expand to another change or not, we have to think and do research carefully because we have to think about the benefits for user. If it's too complicated or maybe it's cost the something more or it's not fair for for our user, for our learners. So we in that case we gonna learn, we don't do that. But if it's good for our ecosystem, good for users, good for learners, and we may consider it carefully. Yeah.
okay. Uh, Sorry, I cannot read this one. With this, you can be done for community beyond the very idea of the project with NFT trading. On our testnet now we have the trading function for NFT as well. So you guys go to our um, Goga marketplace. You also can try this function that NFT trading, and you can set the price, and you can see the fee that the marketplace will take, and you can list your NFT, and there will be some real user that will buy your NFT as well. What is the advantage of RG in Discord? So, in Discord, we encourage people to engage more with the community. So, when you chat to and your rank to level 10, you will get the OG role, and with OG role, you will have more premium benefit in the future that we will announce on our Discord. So, just stay tuned and stick around. Will the project have its own token? Or if so, what name is the plan for it? So what exchange is planned to be listed? Okay, uh, so maybe you have not tried our product yet, so that's why you have this. But no problem. You can go to our website, Rocha New. Right, Chanil, your question, you can go to goga.ai. So there will be the guide for you to join our testnet, and you will know that our token is Goga token. And for listing, we don't have any detailed information yet, so it need to be decided. For the supply, is Goga token will have the maximum supply is 3.2 billion token, and 30% of it will distribute to activity from learn and earn. Another question from George Semarcio. What is the advantage or purpose of, oh, sorry, this already. Um, future. Can you tell me the detail for the future privilege for early participant? Is the question from Rocha News. Thank you, Rocha News. You have many questions here. Thank you so much for that. So for the one who joined our testnet, is the early supporter that if you learn and earn at least 20 Goga token during the testnet event, you will have a chance to uh, not a chance, but for sure you will get the airdrop Goga token airdrop in the future. And on the one who join our testnet will get the whitelist. Also, you will be on the whitelist for the official NFT launch in the near future. And we have a lot of weekly reward as well for you guys to keep learn and earn and get the reward weekly. And one more benefit that when we you join our testnet is you know how to use the NFT effectively. So when we on mainnet and you get one NFT, you will know how to maximum the utility of the NFT to help you to learn better, to help you earn better, and have the better experience with our apps.
Yeah, the next questions is, can you please share the main strengths of Goga? Yeah,
Yeah,
I like this
Rochan, you
question.
thank you.
Yeah.
Yes,
Um, our team has, 12 years of experience in digital marketing globally, and 7 years in the ethics industry. So we have we haven't we haven't been a newbie in this field. And Goga right now has over 300k user in just 3 months, with MAUs, monthly active user, over than 100k at beta testing. And right now you can see our rating, average, 4.7 star in the Google Play. And the most important is that right now, 1.5 billion learners, 1.5 billion user all over the world want to be, master in English. That's the huge number. That's the huge number for any projects want to be tapping in. And I think, that's our advantages, for we could make an impact for the go back. Yeah.
okay, thank you. There are many questions here, so because our time is limited, so I will pick three more questions to answer. Sorry, guy, I cannot answer all of it, so I will pick three more question only. So feel
But
free
don't
to
worry.
ask.
Yeah, don't worry. After this AMA, we are going to answer all of your questions via the chat in the Discord. Yeah.
Yes. So next question is: do you have plan to mint NFT from two NFT to one new one? So yes, we have that. We have the minting system that you can check the detail on our white paper that we already have uh, on the detail of the minting plan on our white paper. You can read more there. And another question is: do you have NFT staking reward? That we are thinking about it now, and we will design the staking reward that is will benefit for user and the communities. So just stay tuned. We just need more time to build and to make it effectively, not just something that Mm, I don't know. We still need time to build because every function in the game and in the apps will affect to the tokenomics. So we just want to make sure everything go well. Um,
I
and the
saw.
last question. Yes.
Yeah. No.
Sorry.
I saw questions right here. I saw questions right here, and I would
Yeah.
like to
Okay. Sure.
answer.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are
Sure.
you guys teachers of English, or where did you get the lessons? To be honest, I'm not a teacher of English. I used to be a programmer. I learned math and computer science at university, and I was some guy right there called me a technical guy or IT guys. Yeah, and English was my a nightmare for me. But in my opinion, is that sometimes you guys could, maybe you come across mistake in my pronunciation, in my grammar. But the most important thing is to when it comes to learn a new language, it's about the communication, right? It's about the communication, and you have to immerse into it, and that is you have to let your language, the new language, flow into you naturally, and that's the reason we create Goga. We don't teach English. We don't teach English. We want to encourage and motivate user right out there to use English instead of learn English. We want you to use English, and by time, a little bit by little bit, one after month, you guys could get better and better, and eventually, your English is going to be fine. Yeah.
Yes. So as the English learner, we know what is the best for the user to motivate them to learn English. And on the lesson from our app is of course from the professional who work in the university, who have the academic background to create the lesson. And of course, we do not make the lesson on our app because we are the project team for the academic for the academic of our lesson. We have the professional that handle it. So for sure that on the lesson you learn is already approved, already proof like proof from our 500,000 paid user that is effective and it helped them to improve the English. So yes, so we are very proud of our academic team, our team who is building the lessons that you are learning every day. Okay, so I think it's on for the FAQ for today's, and the last part of the AMA is I will choose the seven lucky winners from our list. So uh, there is more than 2,000 people who join our testnet, so we cannot give you guys on the reward. So now there will be seven lucky guys that who is learn and earn on our apps, and I will choose seven guys from the just the random number picking. So let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Okay. So there is a list here. Sorry, let me find. There is a list that in here. Here is the list of the NFT ID that we record in our system that you guys are learning our apps right now. So I will pick the lucky number from this list. Here is on the guys who is learning right now. So um oops. So this is your NFT. So this is your NFT ID here. I will pick it up, and sorry guys, it's too many. Here is your NFT ID, and I will take all of this number to um, put to the lucky draw. In here, I will use this tool to input the number from the list. Okay, okay, and there will be the results will appear in here for 7 number. Yeah, the first one is 975. Let me note down somewhere. So for the one for the account that own this NFT number will get the reward is one Goga NFT on mainnet. So later just um, we will just drop the NFT directly to your wallet address in the future. This is the first lucky guys. The second one is 4722. Number three is 236. Four is, sorry, 2339. Number fifth is 2084. It's
2084.
yes, yes. It's feeling
Congratulations.
like yes, it's feeling like I'm playing the bingo game or something. Okay, number six is 56. Oh, 56 is maybe is the rare NFT or
There. Yeah.
something. Yes, some rare NFT have this number. And the last one is 4965. Okay, so
For my
congrats
sister.
seven you guys. This for this NFT number lucky number, I will have announcement on Discord as well. And frankly, I don't know who own this NFT on Discord, so I cannot tag your name. So we only can find the wallet address who own this NFT, and then we will have the list in the winner link, and we will have a record of this. And in the future, we will have the airdrop to your wallet. So yes, so that is the end of the AMA today. Thank you guys so much. Today, you guys really have so many questions, and I really happy to read your question, and I will answer all of the question in the AMA today on our Discord server. So please stick around and join our Discord server, and we will have update very soon.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thank
guys so
you.
much.
Have a nice weekend ahead. Yeah. See you then.
See you. Thank you.